Okay, very good afternoon, my dear friends. So, our degree colleges, prestigious institutions, and eminent academia excellency assistant professors are going to share their knowledge regarding of this prestigious online coaching for CPGET 2023 and also JL, DL, Gurukul JL, DL, and PGT. All competitive exams regarding of this plant sciences. So today's our eminent resource person, Dr.D.Parvathi Madam Garu, Assistant Professor, Head Department of Botany, Pingili Government Degree and PG College for Women, Autonomous. Madam, please welcome and start your session and share your screen.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Visible, sir?
Please rotate in horizontal.
Okay. Okay, sir. Audible, sir?
Yes.
Is my audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Myself, Dr.D.Parvathi, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingal Government College for Women, Autonomous, Hanmakunda. Today's our topic, Introduction Biotechnology. Introduction of Biotechnology. What is biotechnology? Definition of biotechnology, agriculture view, then multidisciplinary branches of biotechnology, cloning, molecular biotechnology, genetic engineering, transgenic, and biotechnology examples, and medicinal, environmental biotechnology, agriculture and forestry, then plant biotechnology and animal biotechnology, food and beverages. We will discuss today. What is a biotechnology? Biotechnology helps to meet our basic needs: food, clothing, shelter, health, and safety. Then, biotechnology improvement by using sciences. Sciences help to production of plants, animals, and other organisms. Also used in maintaining a good environment that promotes our well-being. Then one of the broadest definition of biotechnology is the one given at the United Nations Conference on Biological Diversity in 1992 as any technological application that uses biological systems, living organisms, or diversities, therefore, of to make or modified products or process for the specific use. Then some of these include the use of microorganisms to make the antibiotics, penicillin, or the dairy product yogurt. The uses of microorganisms to produce amino acids or enzymes are also examples of biotechnology. Using scientific processes to get new organisms or new products from organisms. Large area includes many approaches and methods in science and technology. Then definition of biotechnology. Any techniques that uses living organisms or substances from those organisms to make or modify a product to improve plants or animals or to develop microorganisms for specific uses. Then what is biotechnology? The biotechnology, bios means living, logos means study of our essences. Study of source from living organisms. The word biotechnology was first used in 1970 to describe processes using living organisms to make a product or run a processes such as industrial fermentation. Layman biotechnology began when human beings to plant their own crops, domesticate animals, ferment juice into the wine, make cheeses and leaves bread. Then genetic tech biotechnology is the process of harnessing nature's own biochemical tools to make process new products and processes and provide solutions to society ill. Then Webster's the aspect of technology concept with the application.
Madam, excuse me.
Sir,
Madam, excuse me, madam.
sir, please tell me.
Madam, voice is not audible to hear. Will you raise the voice?
Sir, please wait, Nana, 2 minutes. The biotechnology, it may audible?
Yes, yes, madam.
Is it? Okay, wait, sir, please, 1 minute. Is it audible, sir?
Okay, madam. Please proceed.
Okay. Biotechnology is the process of harnessing nature-owned biotechnology tools to make possible.
Madam, now
Sir.
it is also very low voice, madam. Please you, if possible, please resign.
Low
Otherwise,
Okay, sir. Low voice under. Sir.
okay.
Hello, hello.
Yes, madam. Now it's
Hello.
clear.
The biotechnology is the process of harnessing nature's own biochemical tools to make possible new products and processes and provide solutions to society ill. Then Webster's, he says, the aspect of technology concerned with the applications living organisms to meet the needs and ends of man. Then Will Street, he says, what is the biotechnology? Her phenomena, biotechnology is the application of genetic engineering and DNA technology to produce therapeutic and medical diagnostic products and processes. Biotech companies have one thing in common, the use of genetic engineering and manipulation of the organisms at a molecular level. Then using scientific methods with organisms to produce new products or new forms of organisms. Any techniques that uses living organisms are sustained from those organisms are sustains from those organisms to make or modify the product to improve that plants and animals are to develop microorganisms for specific uses. Then using scientific methods with organisms to produce new products or new forms of organisms, any technique that use living organisms or substances from those organisms to substance of organisms to make a modified product to move plants or animals or to be develop microorganisms to specific uses. Then biotechnology is multidisciplinary in nature, involving input from engineering, computer science, cell and molecular biology, microbiology, genetics, physiology, biochemistry, immunology, virology, recombinant DNA technology, genetic in manipulation of bacteria, viruses, fungi, plants, and animals, often from the development of specific products. Then ancient biotechnology, early history as related to food and shelter, including domestication, then classification of biotechnology, built on scientific biotechnology, fermentation promotes food production, medicine, modern biotechnology, that is manipulation, genetic information in organism, genetic engineering. Then agriculture view, all of the applied sciences based operations in producing food, fiber, shelter, and related products, milk products, then new horticultural and ornamental plants, then wildlife, aquaculture, natural resources, and environmental management. Involves many disciplines or branches of learning, includes all areas of life sciences. Production of new and improved crops, foods, industrial chemicals, and then pharmaceutical and living stock. Diagnostics for the detecting genetic diseases, gene therapy, vaccine development, environmental restoration, production of the endangered species, then conservation biology, bioremediation, then forensic applications, and food processing. These are the branches of the biotechnology. 1 minute. Then monoclonal antibiotics, then cell culture, then molecular biology. Then it is molecular biology, DNA technology. It is bank of DNA, RNA, and proteins. Then genetic engineering is cloning. Then mass of production of the human products and resources banks of rare human chemicals, gene therapies. Then synthesis of new proteins, new types of plants and animals, new types of foods. Then synthesis of the traces, synthesis of the specific DNA probes, localization of the gene disorders. Then organismic, then biotechnology, making with complete intact organism or other cells. Organisms are not genetically changed with artificial means. Help the organisms live better or be more productive. Goal, improve organisms and the condition in which they grow. Then study and use natural genetic variations. Cloning an example of the organic biotechnology. What is cloning? Cloning. The process of producing a new organism from cells or tissues of existing animals. In 1997, cloned sheep, that is Dolly in Scotland. First was to discover the Dolly in biotechnology. Then changing the genetic makeup of an organism, altering the structure and parts of the cells, then complex, then uses genetic engineering, molecular mapping, and similar processes. Then genetic engineering, changing the genetic information in a cell, then specific traits of the one organism may be isolated, cut, and moved into the cell of another organisms. Then transgenic plants, result of genetic engineering are said to be a transgenic genetic material in an organism has been altered. Then biotechnology examples, the medicine, agriculture, environment, forestry, food and beverages processes. Then, then some new developments develop into the hereditary material of humans known as gene therapy. Therapeutics products uses in maintain health or prevent diseases. Then biopharmaceuticals, drugs or vaccine developed through biotechnology called desired drugs. Then bioforming, production of pharmaceuticals in cultured organisms, combination of the agriculture and pharmaceutical industries. Then certain blood derived product needed into human medicine can be produced in the milk of goats. Any biotechnology process that may promote a good environment. Organisms developed during the worm to eat oil, then organisms used to gold mining to eat contaminants. Then problems naturally solved by microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, break down contaminants into a form less harmful or not harmful. Then agriculture, industries, the plant biotechnology, animal biotechnology. In the plant biotechnology, improve plants and the products produced from them, the insect and disease resistant, engineered to have desired characteristics. In plant biotechnology, corn plant produced with high level of the amino acid and lysine. In animal biotechnology, improve animals are the product they produced. Animals may be used to produce product that promote human health. The increasing productivity pigs engineered to the produced human immunology. The food and beverages use of technology in production and processing. Some biotechnology principles have been employed for the hundreds of years. Yeast in bagging bread, then genetically altered crops, CPGET milk, then help meet human needs, food, clothing, and shelter. Plants and animals are used in manufacturing food, clothing, and material for shelter, used to make products more useful or desirable. Example, conservation of milk into the cheese or yogurt. Then efficiency, most to keep the cost of improving product as low as possible. Biotech result in the greater efficiency. In inoculating legume seeds with bacteria that allow the plant to pull nitrogen out of the air and put into the soil saves the produce the cost of the applying nitrogen fertilizer. Result in the trees that grow faster and produce food that is more desirable. The grain production, increasing yields, BST used in cows to produce more milk, higher crop yield from drought, disease, increased resistant crops, insect resistant crops. Then health promoting foods. The food with unique traits. Some contain therapeutics, some designed with nutrients in enrichment. Then safety. The consumers want food to provide needed nutrients and in some cases enhanced food. Do not want side effect from those enhanced food. Then easy preparation. Flavor saver tomato reached from the market in easily 1990s. Engineered to have a longer shelf life. Flavor, the not soft spots, no rotten spots, tomato resistant spoiling. Then synthetic biotechnology, creating lifelike characteristics through the use of chemical based on the creating structure similar to those found in living organisms. Need for the synthetic cells lead to the development of the vessels. Vesicles tiny, rounded structure within cell like traits. Tiny structure similar to soap bubbles were created to serve as the cell membrane, visible only with powerful microscope. Once the cell membrane has been successfully developed, development of the material within the cell initiated. Then synthetic biology is important because it brings science closer to create the life into the lab. Cells or tissues may be developed to treat human injury and diseases. This is about the biotechnology, the brief introduction of the biotechnology. Thank you very much. Hello,
Madam.
sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, regarding of this class, I have any doubts? Prakash, Vijay, and Priya,
Sir.
Rajan Narasimha. Regarding of this class, you have any doubt? Please ask. Our madam is here. The introduction to the biotechnology and some of the applications also of the biotechnology also. Madam has clearly explained. Regarding of this class, you have any doubts?
For PG or UG, and this is the PG entrance. It is a very important topic, biotechnology. Then applications of the biotechnology is also very important for PG entrance. The biotechnology helps to meet our basic needs mainly.
Okay.
It improves by using science. Science helps the production of plants, animals, and other organisms.
Okay. Any interactions with our madam? Prakash, Rajita madam garu, Vijayaji, Vijay, Priyaji.
Only 8 members
Sir,
are there.
sir, no doubt. Madam, madam,
Sir,
madam,
Yes, madam is here. What do you?
madam, in next class, raise a voice in loud way, na?
thank you, sir.
Voice is
Okay,
too
okay.
low,
Sure,
madam.
sure.
Just
Definitely.
you, today's class, I think this is about a biotechnology introduction, na?
Yes, sir.
You raise your voice with a loud way, ma'am.
Thank you. Sure.
You are feeling some tension today, I think, with low voice. Before
Okay.
joining class only, I understood, ma'am. Something
Today
you are
my
hurry
laptop is
intention.
some trouble, sir. That's why um
I am a student, madam. Don't call me,
okay.
sir. I
What's
was
your name?
student only.
What's
Prakash,
your name, Nana?
Prakash, madam.
Prakash from KDC. Prakash from KDC.
Okay. KDC. Okay. Prakash,
Ah, madam.
how many marks you got in first year and second year?
Nice, ma'am.
Botany.
Botany with in that labs I got O grade, and in subjects theory I got A grades.
Okay. Very good. Your principal sir is Raja Reddy, sir. Huh?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, madam.
Okay. Sir is our.
Right.
Uh, thank you, Nana. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Right. Tomorrow also same time, madam.
Okay, sir.
Right.